Hello traders, today is March 10th, 2015. This is the Binary Matrix Pro Trade by Trade video diary. All right, our first signal today, guys, is on the Swissy with a call, which is what this is. We're going to be looking for the price to go up. Let's see what happens. All right, so again with a call signal, we are looking for the price to go up, and you can see on the chart there that it has in fact gone up. And our first trade for today is going to be a win. As soon as the broker, there we go, $34. All right, up next we've got a call signal on dollar yen. And a $20 investment would yield a $33 payout. Let's see. All right, last few seconds of our call trade on dollar yen. Everything looks good on this one. The price has gone up. And that's a $33 win. Our next signal for today is a call on the Swissy again. This is the currency we opened today's session with. 329 is our strike rate. All right, so we entered this trade at a price of 329. That's our strike rate. It is a call, meaning we want the price to go up, and it is 348. That means that's a win, $34. We've got a put signal on dollar yen. I believe this is our first put signal for today. Going to be looking for the price to go down from 878. Our strike rate on this trade, 878. Looking for it to go down, but you can see that it has in fact gone up. So this is going to be our first loss for today. No big deal. Can't win them all. We've got a call on British pound dollar. And we're in. All right, last few seconds of our call position on British pound dollar. Trade looks pretty good so far and has gone up quite a bit. So we're looking at a $34 win. And there it is. Our next trade today is going to be a put on Aussie dollar. Binary Matrix Pro sending us fully automated signals throughout our trading session. Let's see. All right, last few seconds of our put option. You can see for yourself here. Lots of back and forth. And we won $34. We've got a call on dollar yen. Dollar yen getting a lot of activity today. And 937 is our strike rate. All right, back to check on our call position. Dollar yen. Entered at 937. That's our strike rate. Current price 950. That's a $33 win. All right, we've got a call signal on the Swissy up next. 932 is our strike rate. All right, last few seconds of our call. The price well above the strike rate. And that's a $34 win. We've got a call on dollar Canadian up next. And 532 is our strike rate. All right, trading 60-second binary options today with Binary Matrix Pro. Automated signals throughout our trading session. The price right now clearly in our favor. That's a $34 win. We've got a put signal on Aussie dollar. And if we can get in here, hopefully in time. There we go. So we entered this trade at 231. You can see the price has actually gone in the opposite direction. And this is going to be loss number 2. We've got a call signal on the Swissy, and a $20 investment would yield a $34 payout on the Swissy pair. Let's see. All right, you can see here we've got just a couple of seconds left, and that is going to be a loss. Looks like it shot up right after. We might have caught it. We might have caught that. Yep, $34. We've got a call signal on dollar Canadian up next, and 742 is our strike rate. All right, just a few seconds left on this call position, and we were winning this one, and it dipped down, and it came back. I think we got it. Let's see what happens. There we go, $34. Our next signal today is a put on Aussie dollar. And it looks like our strike rate is 201. So we entered this trade at 201 with a put position, needing the price to go down. Unfortunately, it has gone up 10 pips, and that means this is loss number 3 for today's session. We've got a call on British pound dollar up next. And 530 is our strike rate. All right, last few seconds of our call position. British pound dollar is the currency pair, and the current price well above our strike rate. We're looking at an easy $34 win. And there it is. All right, we've got a put signal on euro dollar up next. Here we go. Back to check on our put signal. Euro dollar is the currency pair. Not doing a whole lot of trading on euro dollar today, but this one looks great. Price below our strike rate, and there's a $34 win. All right, I've got a put signal on the Swissy, and looks like we're in at 542. All right, back to check on our put position. And Swissy is the currency. That is the dollar and the Swiss franc. This is going to be a win right here. There we go, $34. Up next is a call on euro dollar. I shouldn't have counted them off earlier. Getting a little more activity now. And position approved. All right, just 3 seconds left on the clock. You can see for yourself, we're about 4 pips above our strike rate. 1 pip in the right direction is all it takes, folks. And this is a $34 win. We've got a call on dollar yen. And looks like our strike rate, 622. Entered this trade at a price of 622 with a call position. Current price is fluctuating quite a bit. Right now it's 624, 622, and it dipped back down. We might have caught that, though, in time. Yep, there's a $33 win. We've got a put option. Euro dollar is the currency. Huge winning streak right now. Let's see what happens. All right, back to check on our euro dollar put position. So far, looking pretty good on this one. It's continuing to move in our favor. And there we go, another $34 win. All right, I've got a call signal on the Swissy up next. And a win will be $34. Let's see. So we've got a $20 investment. Potential payout of $34. That means a net profit of $14. And we're about to take that once again with Binary Matrix Pro. There's a win. That makes 17 wins and 3 losses today, guys. Huge winning streak. I'll see you next time.